Well, it is noon, May 9th, and as you can see with all the snow, and it's still coming down, why we don't do our gardens right away here in upstate New York. It's been snowing for about 20 minutes. We've already got probably an inch of snow. This is poor timing for snow and getting your gardens and things in. So I guess we're gonna have to wait till Memorial Day or the day before Mother's Day. Usually I like to get my garden in before Mother's Day, but not so much this year. Alright, I got some things I got to get done, and I just wanted to show you what we have to contend with up here in the north. Alright. Have a good day, and remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm, unless it snows.